I went down to Smithsonian Day and looked at one of my favorite things, the early days of steam power, and some of it gasoline and gas. And you see the pitiful efforts that they made to try to get things to work. One of the starting problems was that while steam gets more and more efficient, the higher the pressure goes, building a boiler that can stand the pressure was impossible for a long part of history there. Now it seems that steam works best. It gets the most energy out of the fuel at 3,207 pounds per square inch. Can't do that with a old-time boiler. You see, somebody tried to make a gunpowder motor. He put gunpowder in it instead of gasoline or something. And others built gas motors out of fume gas, and even gasoline, kerosene, and other things. Like the first gasoline motors, they didn't use any compression. They were kind of feeble, to say the least. But they were popular because they took up less space and steam and started easy. You didn't have to keep them going all the time, burning fuel. But they were pretty near worthless. Mm. Yeah, it's just gross stuff you have to go through to get to something that's good. A number of people had good ideas and made some stabs and didn't get anywhere. Some people did. Mm. Anybody trying to invent something has got a lot of problems to get through. And lucky if he stumbles on something that, while it might work, it has no future. It doesn't work well enough or has other problems. Mm.